Feeling under the weather? Let's ditch the guesswork and get you a quick, accurate temperature reading using your CVS Health Temple Digital Thermometer. First things first, let's unbox our CVS Health Temple Digital Thermometer. Make sure you have the thermometer itself and the instruction manual. We might need it later. Before we start, ensure your thermometer has working batteries. Usually, there's a small compartment on the back or side that you can open to check or replace them. Okay. Now press the power button. You should see the screen light up, indicating it's ready to go. Gently position the thermometer probe. You want it to be flat against your temple, somewhere between your eyebrow and hairline. Once it's in place, press the scan button. It's usually located on the side or front of the thermometer. Hold the thermometer steady against your temple. Don't move it around while it's scanning. Keep holding it until you hear a beep. That beep is your signal. It means the temperature reading is complete. The temperature will be displayed on the screen. Make sure to note it down or remember it for future reference, especially when talking with your doctor. If the reading seems off or you had any questions, refer to the instruction manual. It contains detailed information and troubleshooting tips. After each use, clean the thermometer probe with an alcohol swab to maintain hygiene. And that's it. You've successfully used your CVS Health Temple Digital Thermometer. Stay healthy.